Let me show you how to make my go-to nutritious snack these days, full of protein and fruit. All you're gonna need are 4 ingredients: rice cakes, nut butter, hemp hearts, and some type of fruit. Air fry your rice cakes for 3 minutes at 400. This is key, you guys. You need to air fry them. Then you're gonna spread your nut butter, top it with your fruit, hemp hearts, and a drizzle of honey. Yes, it's so simple, easy, delicious, and it's just so good for you, and it energizes you. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle content.